Hey, what's good guys? This is edwoodyward, and today for our latest unboxing we have the Tecware VXR. Yeah! Let's go over the specs indicated on the box. We have support for USB 3.0, that will be 2. We have 2 USB 2.0 ports as well. We have dry base, 2 3.5s, 4 2.5s, 8 PCI expansion slots, so that's a lot. And we have a lot of support for fans that you can mount inside. We also have the highlight would be, I guess, the option for you to mount a GPU vertically, but of course you're gonna need some vertical bracket and a Ryzen card kit, which are sold separately. Alright, so let's now open the box. Alright, now you have the side panel held by 4 screws, thumb screws, which is the most common thing now in the case market. And of course a front facing tempered glass panel as well, which has 4 thumb screws. On their website there's a lot of multiple airflow configurations they said that can be done with this case. Say for example, we have on this side a lot of vents for PSUs and the radiator if you would ever put one. And on the back side we have a lot of PCI expansion slots and mounting spaces for fans as well. Along the top you have the usual I/O ports, that's the power button. We have 2 USB 3.0s and then 2 USB 2.0 ports. You have the usual audio ports, I'm sorry. And then you have those two would be your RGB controllers. Beside it you have a magnetic air filter. Now let's open this side. You have again 4 thumb screws. Ingat lang kasi it might like what happened in my friend's case before, it fell off, so you have to support the bottom part of the tempered glass while you unscrew them. Right, now we have removed everything. It's time to pull the glass. Okay. Right, inside you have the motherboard cut out. It can accommodate different sizes of motherboard, but mainly this is for larger boards, say for example ATX, because I don't know what would be the reason for you to put mini ITX here. At the bottom you have an option to put 3 120mm and also a radiator on this side as well, radiator up to 360, and at the top as well. So you have plenty of options, ton of options actually, for multiple airflow configurations. On this side naman, you would find different vents, 2 different vents for the 2 chambers. Then that's your I/O slot. Then you have a lot of PCIe slots as well, which can be removed and pwede na ibalik, because that's the good thing about these brackets for VXR. Now let's remove the cover on the other side or the other chamber. There you go. Snap that baby open. Okay, inside you'll find 2 magnetic air filters. One for each vent. One is for the one that has the radiator, facing the radiator or fans, and then the other one is for PSU. Then you have the connectors inside for the motherboard. to operate the USB 3.0, the front I/O connections, LED, power switch, reset. So for those who are used to building PCs, ito yung pinaka-dreaded task is to insert them to the board kasi ang lilit ng pins. And this one is the removable drive bay. And inside there's a box which has the SSD plates and the screws provided. So this is the hard drive bay. Yes, it is removable by 2 screws. These are your SSD variable mount trays. There. And some screws and zip ties. So this part is where you would put a radiator and fans. And you have holes for cable management, so plenty of options for you to keep your cables clean and tight. Okay, so now I'll show you where to mount the PSU here. You just have to screw that the PSU in. That's 4 screws required. And now let's move on to the transferring of parts video. And that's it for the quick unboxing of the Tecware VXR. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comment section below. Please do not forget to hit the thumbs up as well and subscribe to my channel. My name is edwoodyward, and I hope to see you all in the next video.